I always love talking some baseball as well. Charlie Brown Jazz Christmas should be fantastic. Go check it out. If you have young kids, they probably put some toys on their Christmas list, of course. Before those toys go under the tree, though, you want to make sure they're safe. We're going to find out what to look for when it comes to toy safety. We have Bennett Long here from Long & Long Personal Injury Law Firm. Good to see you.
Thank you, Joe. Thanks for having us.
So first, before we get all started with the toys here, tell those folks a little bit about Long & Long.
We're a personal injury firm primarily. We're a family firm from right here in Mobile. It's my brother and I. We're local. We're from this community, born and raised, and that makes us different.
All right, well, that sounds great. Always good to have a family tie there. And speaking of families, we want to keep your family safe. So we're talking about some of these toys. Let's start with this Nerf Rival here. I grew up playing with Nerf. A lot of fun, right, but also a little bit dangerous as well. Tell the folks about that.
The issue here is the images on the box show children with masks on. It's on the back here I'm looking at.
Right.
Now, a lot of parents would assume that these masks are included. In fact, they're not.
Okay.
This is a high velocity item here. They move it over 30 feet per second. So if you do buy this for your child, make sure to get the protective face wear so there's no eye injuries.
You can get some cool rec specs like Horace Grant used to wear in the Chicago Bulls.
Exactly.
All right, how about this good dinosaur here? My son loves dinosaurs.
Mine does too. Now this is a choking hazard issue. The warning on the box sets forth there is a choking hazard. There are small parts, not for children under 3. However, what it does not tell you is that some of the parts are not shown, and this hard, rigid tail that is seen in here is actually a puncture wound hazard. It's very hard, and it has a strong tip, so it could easily injure the eyes of a child.
Well, you know what you say. You're not supposed to play with dinosaurs. They're very scary. All right, this one just sounds scary to begin with. The Warcraft Doomhammer. Tell the folks about the Doomhammer.
That's correct. This the warning on the box says not suitable for children under 36 months. They're small parts, again, a choking hazard. The main thing to remember here is that slamming this hammer could cause puncture wounds, and the product has been known to shatter.
Wow.
So you need to be very careful there. I
thought you were going to say not for children under 36 years. All right, let's move on. Tell me about this slime ball thing here.
Again, this is for ages 6 and plus, and all these products are bought really Amazon, Target, Walmart, or Kmart. The warning on this one says never shoot at a person or animal, or other warnings, and cautions and instructions on the package. Again, this is a choking hazard, but the main thing here is an eye injury from the slime ball. It shoots as far as 30 feet, and it can pose a serious risk, especially with not wearing protective gear.
You know what they always say, it's always funny till someone gets a slime ball in the eye. Let's move on. How can Peppa Pig be dangerous?
I agree, it looks very harmless. However, there are some severe risks here. The packaging does not show that there are a lot of small parts that younger children can definitely get stuck in their throat. So just be very careful. And with all toys, you know, parental guidance is helpful.
Absolutely. From Peppa Pig to Peppy Pups.
Now this one actually is very concerning to me, and the reason being this leash is 36 inches long. And y'all know kids, and a lot of them want to snuggle with them and such. This is really a hazard. This is the one that sticks out to me the most, and this can be entangled around a young child's neck and cause strangulation.
Very dangerous. Great tip on that one. Definitely one to look out for there. And then Superman, he's here to protect our planet, but I guess he's a little bit dangerous as well.
Again, most of these are the warning on there says never aim at eyes or face, of course. But what it doesn't tell you is it's almost like a helicopter type toy, and the blades can easily cause eye injury. So again, you need to wear protective gear.
So this is kind of like kryptonite. Stay away from it.
That's right.
Man, I got a lot of jokes this morning. All right, if anything does happen with this, how can the folks get in contact with you all at Long & Long?
You can call us at 432-4878. We're downtown on the corner of St. Louis and Jackson. We also have an office in Orange Beach, so we're local to Mobile and Baldwin counties.
Perfect. All right, some great tips here. Be careful this holiday season. We want you all to have a great Christmas, so thought we'd give you all some tips on this. Thanks so much for coming in.
Thank you, Joe. Merry Christmas to everyone.
Merry Christmas. All right, coming up, we're heading back into the kitchen with the Grand Hotel to work on a